guys, probably the most frequently asked question within the last days was if the sound of the Cupra 300 ST, so the estate version, is different to the sound of the 5-door and the 3-door, so that SC that we have been testing already. And this video probably explains it pretty well, that it's similar to what already happened at the 290 models, that the estate version has a bit quieter exhaust note, and a different exhaust note specifically meant that for people sitting at the rear seats and not being disturbed too much. And the SC, the 3-door and the 5-door, have a sportier note, which is more aggressive and of course is more driver focused in that case.